This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Chevrolet key. First, identify the specific problem, whether it's a dead battery, worn buttons, or a damaged case. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery. Carefully examine your key fob to understand its construction before attempting to open it. This preparation ensures a smoother repair process and prevents accidental damage. To replace the battery, gently pry open the key fob using your small screwdriver, usually along a seam. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Most Chevrolet key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which you can find at most electronics stores. Ensure you insert the new battery with the correct positive and negative orientation, as indicated inside the fob, to ensure it powers on correctly. If your buttons are not responding, gently clean the internal contacts on the circuit board with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. For severely damaged buttons or a cracked case, consider purchasing a new key fob shell online. When reassembling, carefully align the circuit board, rubber button pad, and any other components within the new or original shell. Ensure everything fits snugly before snapping the two halves back together. After reassembly, test your key fob immediately to ensure all functions, like locking, unlocking, and remote start, work correctly. If not, recheck the battery and component alignment. To maintain your key's longevity, avoid dropping it and keep it away from extreme temperatures or moisture. Also, for a truly transformative read, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. You can find a link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.